The following is a presentation of Fox Sports.
We are Fox. We are Carolina.
Winners of 3 straight to start this season, the Carolina Hurricanes invade South Florida, where a big-time investment has been made in a big-time goaltender. But tonight, the leader of the Carolina defense looks to spoil his party. They look to write a little franchise history.
Career best, 18 goals in his first year as a Cane a season ago. He'll swoop in wide, cut in on Trice, and get it done. Dougie Hamilton has scored. A final chance possibly for Montreal. Mrazek says no. Hey, what do you say? The Canes win on opening night. Played off the boards, not out by Svechnikov, carried out by Gardner. 2-on-1 with Aho. Near wing Gardner, his shot. He scores! Hey, what do you say? Jake Gardner. Carolina wins in overtime. Svechnikov, loose play, forced by Stamkos. Kucherov. Run into the big storm by Jordan Staal. Here comes the big guy. Jordan Staal holding on to it. Cross ice, Slavin. Hey, what do you say? The Canes do it again.
Opening week is presented by Verizon. As we welcome you here to South Florida, the first of 3 meetings this season between the Carolina Hurricanes and the Florida Panthers. Good evening, everybody. Alongside Trip Tracy, I'm John Forsland. As always, thanks for joining us to start this season.